Sum of first n natural numbers. Sum of first n natural numbers means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 1 up to n. Sum of first n natural numbers. You have to show that n into n plus 1 by 2. Sum of first n natural numbers. So sum of first n natural numbers is denoted by with sigma n. Sigma n means sum of first n natural numbers. This is nth term of the series. So apply sigma. Sum of first n natural numbers n into n plus 1 by 2. Sigma means summation. So how to prove it this one? So here series is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 1 n. This is in AP series. AP series. So here first term a is equal to 1. And common difference d is equal to t2 minus t1. So 2 minus 1, d also 1. So you have to find sum of n terms. Sum of n terms. Sum of n terms. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn is equal to n by 2 of 2 into 1. A means 1. N minus 1 into d also 1. So n by 2 into 2 plus n minus 1. So n by 2 into n plus 1. So simply n of n plus 1 by 2. Okay. Sum of first n natural numbers. Sum of first n natural numbers, it is denoted by sigma n. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 1 n terms. Sum of first n natural numbers, it is denoted by sigma n. The formula n of n plus 1 by 2. Sum of first n natural numbers. Next one, sum of the squares of first n natural numbers. Sum of the squares of first n natural numbers means 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus 1 n square. Sum of the squares of first n natural numbers, that is equal to n of 2n plus 1. Sorry, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. N of n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Sum of the squares of first n natural numbers, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Sum of the squares of first n natural numbers, it is denoted by sigma n square. Sigma n square is equal to n of n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Sum of the squares of first n natural numbers, it is denoted by sigma n square, that is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So how to prove it this one? Now I will explain. Proof. We know some identity. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So n plus 1 whole cube, that is equal to n cube plus 3n square plus 3n plus 1 cube. Okay. So from this one, n cube transfer this side, n plus 1 whole cube minus n cube is equal to 3n square plus 3n plus 1. So this is one identity. From this identity, we have to find sigma n square. Sigma n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So from this identity, n plus 1 whole cube minus n cube is equal to 3n square plus 3n plus 1. Okay. So if taken as n is equal to 1. So 2 cube, 1 plus 1, 2 cube minus 1 cube is equal to 3 into 1 square plus 3 into 1 plus 1. So if you taken as n is equal to 2, 2 plus 1, n is equal to 2, 2 plus 1 means 3. 3 cube minus n means 2 only, 2 cube is equal to 3 of n means 2, 2 square plus 3 of n means 2 plus 1. If you take n is equal to 3, 3 plus 1, 4 cube minus n means 3, 3 cube, 3 of n means 3, 3 square plus 3 of 3 plus 1. Similarly like that, n is equal to n. If you take n is equal to n, n plus 1 whole cube minus n cube, that is equal to 3 of n square plus 3 of n plus 1. So adding these all terms, plus quantity minus quantity, plus quantity minus, plus minus, plus minus, like that both are cancelled. So we get what is the left terms, n plus 1 whole cube minus here 1 cube is equal to, so 3 of 1 square, 3 of 2 square, 3 of 3 square, 3 of n square. So by taking common 3 we get 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus so on n square. We require this one, we need this one, plus here also by taking common 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus so on n, plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus, so 1 is repeated how many times, n times, 1 is repeated n times. Here taken n is equal to 1, n is equal to n is equal to n, so 1 is repeated n times, so the value is n, 1 plus 1 plus, so the total value is n. So n plus 1 whole cube, n cube plus 3n square plus 3n plus 1 minus 1 cube means 1, so 3 into short form, will write short form sigma n square, we need this one, plus 3 into first n natural, sum of first n natural numbers, n into n plus 1 by 2 plus n, so plus 1 minus 1 cancel, n cube plus 3n square plus 3n, that is equal to 3 into sigma n square plus, here LCM is 2, 3n of n plus 1 plus 2n. So this total term is, transpose this side, it becomes negative, so n cube plus 3n square plus 3n minus of 3n of n plus 1 plus 2n by 2, that is equal to 3 into sigma n square. So n cube plus 3n square plus 3n minus of 3n square plus 3n plus 2n, 5n by 2 is equal to 3 of sigma n square. So here take LCM, LCM is 2, 2n cube plus 3n square plus 3n, sorry, 6n square plus 6n, 2n cube, 2 3 is a 6, 6n minus 3n square minus 5n is equal to 3 of sigma n square. So that implies 2n cube plus 6n square minus 3n square, 3n square plus 6n minus 5n plus n by 2 3 is a 6 is equal to sigma n square. So which one is common? By taking common n, by taking common n, n of 2n square plus 3n plus 1 by 6 is equal to sigma n square. Now split the middle term, 2n square plus 2n plus n plus 1 by 6 is equal to sigma n square. So n of which first two terms by taking common 2n, n plus 1, next two terms 1 is common, n plus 1 by 6 is equal to sigma n square. So which one is common? N plus 1 is common, so by taking common n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6 is equal to sigma n square. So sigma n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Sum of the squares of first n natural numbers, sum of the squares of first n natural numbers, sigma n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6.